Hi everyone, my name is Ria Massey. I'm from Tennessee, and my journey to the Milan Art Institute Mastery Program for 2026 began with a quiet yes, one that grew from curiosity, faith, and a deep desire to create with purpose. After years in a completely different career, I discovered painting, not as a skill I had mastered, but as a calling that found me. What started as an act of obedience and healing became a language for expressing hope, light, and transformation. Choosing to pursue the mastery program is my commitment to grow, to refine my voice, and steward the gift God placed in my hands. This journey isn't just about learning technique, it's about becoming the artist I was created to be and allowing my work to speak life, beauty, and meaning into the world. I invite you to follow along with me throughout 2026 as I step into this mastery journey through the breakthroughs, the challenges, and the moments of growth in between. I'll be sharing the process, the lessons, and the heart behind the work as it unfolds. Thank you for being a part of this season with me. I can't wait to see where this journey leads.